In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix Thrustmaster T150 pedals. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If the pedals on your Thrustmaster T150 steering wheel are not working, then follow these instructions to fix any issues attributed to them. So first, I'm going to talk about what to do if you are using it on a PlayStation console, such as a PlayStation 4, and then I'm going to talk about what to do if you are on PC. For PlayStation consoles, because you cannot download the software on those consoles directly, then all that you can do is first check the physical connections. So establish a physical connection with the USB cable and make sure that it is thoroughly inserted. If the cable is loose, then the connection might not remain stable and it is going to disconnect quite often. So always ensure that you get the proper connection between these cables, and you can try using a different USB port on the PlayStation console. So swap out the USB port. And besides this, there's not much else to do. It should work natively with any game that has support. So an example would be Gran Turismo 7. However, if you are trying to play something that doesn't have native support, such as GTA 5, then the steering wheel will not work. In this case, the game lacks support, so it is important to always check if the game that you are trying to play has support for steering wheels. So I recommend doing a search on Google. Now, if you are on PC, it is extremely important to download the latest version of their firmware. To do this, go over to the official website for Thrustmaster, so thrustmaster.com, access the support page and look for your T150. You can also search for it on Google. In here, click on drivers and you will be able to download the executable right here. This will include the latest version of the firmware. If you want more instructions related to the firmware, then click on this PDF here, but basically, after you download the executable and you run it, you will receive these programs here. The main one is going to be the control panel, where you can see the status of the steering wheel. So as long as it is connected to your PC with a USB cable, it will appear on the control panel from Thrustmaster. The status should say OK, which means that you are good to go. You can go into the properties and advanced settings if you would like to change some settings about it. So as you can see, you can change the angle, task forces, gain settings, and so on, and you will see the firmware. Once you believe that it is time to update the firmware, either because a new one is released or you want to make sure that you have the latest one, you can choose the option to check for update, or you can open the firmware update app. So when you open firmware update, it should be detected here, and you will be able to use the latest firmware that you have downloaded from the support page. Afterwards, click OK, and the process will be done automatically. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix Thrustmaster T150 pedals. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.